This weird-looking crescent-shaped thing? Yeah, it might actually be one of the most underrated training tools you've never seriously considered. This is the Titan Fitness Bulgarian Bag, and it promises to build strength, cardio, grip, and mobility all at once. Sounds like marketing hype, right? Well, after putting it through real workouts, I discovered something surprising. It's brutally effective, but not for the reasons you might expect. Titan Fitness Bulgarian Bag Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Titan Fitness Bulgarian Bag is a functional training tool inspired by traditional wrestling conditioning methods. Titan Fitness, a brand known in the US for affordable strength equipment, designed this bag as a lower-cost alternative to premium Bulgarian bags used by fighters and CrossFit athletes. It comes in multiple weight options, typically ranging from beginner-friendly lighter versions up to heavy conditioning weights designed for advanced athletes. The big selling point here is versatility. Instead of isolated exercises like dumbbells or kettlebells, this bag is built for rotational, explosive, and full-body movement patterns, meaning strength and cardio happen at the same time. And honestly, that changes how workouts feel entirely. Titan Fitness Bulgarian Bag Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing. The first time you use a Bulgarian bag, you realize very quickly this isn't traditional strength training. I used it for conditioning circuits, warm-ups, and even replacement cardio sessions, and within minutes, my heart rate was higher than during most treadmill workouts. The dynamic handles let you swing, spin, and rotate the weight around your body, which forces stabilizer muscles to engage constantly. Your shoulders, core, grip, and legs all work together whether you want them to or not. What surprised me most was how athletic the training feels. Movements mimic real-world motion, twisting, accelerating, and decelerating, instead of just lifting straight up and down. But it's also humbling. Even lighter weights feel challenging because momentum multiplies resistance. If your coordination is off, you'll know immediately. For fighters, CrossFit athletes, or anyone bored with standard lifting routines, the performance payoff is huge. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this thing looks simple, but there's smart design happening here. First, multiple handle positions. You've got main grips, outer handles, and strap loops. That means you can switch instantly between swings, presses, spins, and carries. The benefit? Faster workouts with almost zero setup time. Second, dynamic weight distribution. Unlike dumbbells, the sand-filled design shifts slightly during movement. That instability forces your core and stabilizers to activate constantly, which translates to better functional strength and injury resistance. Third, rotational training capability. Most gym equipment trains forward and back motion. This bag excels at rotational strength, critical for sports like MMA, baseball, golf, or even everyday movement. Design and build. Aesthetically, Titan Fitness kept things practical rather than flashy. The bag uses a durable synthetic leather-style exterior with reinforced stitching around high-stress areas. It feels tough enough to handle swings and drops without worrying about seams failing. Ergonomically, the curved shape sits naturally across your shoulders, which makes squats and carries surprisingly comfortable. It's not luxury gym premium like some high-end brands, but honestly, that's part of the appeal. It feels rugged, like equipment meant to be used hard, not admired on a rack. Pros. Excellent for athletic and functional fitness. Affordable compared to premium Bulgarian bags. Durable enough for intense workouts. Cons. Learning curve for beginners, not ideal for traditional strength progression tracking. Final verdict. Look, if you're someone who enjoys traditional bodybuilding with strict reps and predictable lifts, this probably won't replace your barbell setup. But if you're a functional fitness fan, martial artist, CrossFit athlete, or just someone bored with repetitive gym routines, this is honestly a fantastic addition. The Titan Fitness Bulgarian Bag delivers intense, athletic workouts in very little space, and it punches way above its price point in terms of versatility. Beginners can use lighter weights to build coordination, while experienced athletes can push conditioning to another level entirely.